Hi there, students. In this video I'm going to look at the adjectives high end or top end and low end or bottom end. Let's see, high end products are the most expensive in the range, the best quality, things that are intended for consumers who don't mind how much things cost and they want good quality. People who are willing to pay a lot of money. So high-end consumers, top-end consumers. And then low-end is the opposite. This is cheap products. So he's driving a low-end car, or many families shop at low-end supermarkets. Okay, so low-end, the cheapest of the range, cheap products in a group, products intended for people who don't have a lot of money. Okay, so high-end, the most expensive, high-end, a high-end computer. Low-end, something cheap and cheerful, something that's designed for, that's made or marketed at poorer people. Notice these phrases high end, top end, low end, bottom end are very often used about computer or computer equipment or audio. So a low-end Bluetooth speaker or a high-end Bluetooth speaker. You can also, they often use it about machines and vehicles and equipment as well. Yeah. When he won a fortune on the lottery, he got an architect and a designer to build him a new house, and the kitchen was full of all the high-end kitchen equipment, a high-end fridge, a high-end cooker, etc. Okay, so high-end and low-end, the best. They are so high-end, upscale, high-end boutiques. Yeah. I wish I had a high-end camera and a high-end microphone, but normally these are quite expensive. Upmarket, downmarket. Yeah. Low-end, something from a dime store, as the Americans might say. Discount, rather downmarket. Not the best. So yeah, something that's top end, it's top flight, it's the best in the market, the most expensive of their kind, top quality, top notch, deluxe. Yeah, whereas low end, yeah, just cheap and cheerful. I just bought myself a low end printer because well, I can't afford anything more. Okay, formality with this phrase. All of these phrases, I think these are rather informal. I think I would probably give them 4 informality. Definitely use informally, use in a semi-formal conversation, a semi-formal writing, just about. And then, yeah, as to the origin, well, it's the top end of the market. End is talking about the end of the market, or top end, yeah, the top of the market. Low end, the lower end, the cheap end of the market. So enough. I hope I've made a top end video, a high end video. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. High end, top end, low end.